breakfast on the beach this morning. The sun's out. It's not too cold. Got our warmers on still, but we've got croissants, some fruit, and a fantastic view. Just spotted a couple of seals, maybe some 30 metres out from the shoreline. And to quote Andy, because I know you'll enjoy this, I'll swing you around and you can hopefully see little one playing on the beach as well. So we're going to enjoy our coffee. So we're going to continue on with these. Head on out. The plan is over the next 2 days to get to Skye and then spend a couple of days in Skye. And then unfortunately we've got to start heading our way back. So join us on today's adventure and let's see what we find. So after that adventurous mountain pass that we've driven today, we've made our way across the Isle of Skye bridge. There's actually two places that we had earmarked for tonight. The other side of the harbour here, just over there, and also this side as well. Went over that side, had a look for some food, but there was nothing that really took our fancy, so we doubled back here and we grabbed ourselves some fish and chips and also pizza as well. As you can see from above, found ourselves a nice little area to stop for tonight, looking out over the Skye bridge, and hopefully the morning sunrise just over those mountain peaks will look nice in the morning as well. So the plan is to spend the next 3 days in Skye. We've got a list of different things that we want to look at. So a nice relaxed tour around there just to end. Head back up on the NC500, finish that off, and sadly that will end our trip. Still, a few more nights left. Let's see what tomorrow holds. The weather forecast says that it's not going to rain, but then the weather forecaster said that it's going to rain every night and every day that we've been here, and it's not been too bad. A light spit of rain now, but not anything anywhere as bad as it was forecast. But we'll see what it says in the morning, see what it looks like, and carrying on a bit more of an adventure. See you soon. So those were the fairy pools. Looks like the water runs off of the mountains just behind me there and generates those little pools that you can see. Don't know how well the camera picked it up, but they are crystal clear, very, very, very fresh water, very cold. Dipping our toes in, some of us up to our knees, and possibly the coldest water I think I've dipped my toes in. It always seemed cold at the time. So we're going to start walking back to the car now. A little bit of a trek back.